Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to turn on background download on your Telegram in your phone and are wondering how, in today's video, we are going to go ahead and show you how to enable that in Telegram. You can basically go ahead and start by opening up the Telegram app on your phone. And once you access the Telegram app on your phone, you need to look out for your settings. It is usually located in the top left from the given menu. You can tap on the menu icon in the top left. And once you tap on it, you can basically go ahead and access your settings, usually found in the bottom bar. And once you access it, Telegram settings, what you can do is you can scroll down and find the option for data and storage and go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on data and storage in the automatic media download section, here this section, what you need to do is basically go ahead and section find the option for using cellular data or Wi-Fi. So here what you may do is basically find the section for when using mobile data, you can turn it on, tap on the toggle option right beside it. Similarly for the same goes for the Wi-Fi as well and when roaming as well. So what happens is when you do it, make sure the background, it will basically make sure that your background data is turned on for your Telegram app, and it will basically go ahead and download the types of media that you want to download in the background, for example, photos, videos, files, etc. And that is it. It will basically go ahead and do so. You can basically follow up this process if you want to turn on your background download and Telegram in your phone. So do not forget to give this video a like if this tutorial was helpful, and also subscribe and also comment if you have got any questions, and that's it.